This drone features a 1080p camera and it can capture stunning footage. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. Drones are a lot of fun, but there's also a practical use. I am checking my roof for damages, and would you look at that? I have some shingles that are loose. I had no idea this was the case. In the package, you'll get 2 batteries. Here's the spare one. The other battery is installed. You get a joystick control, and this is compatible with any phone. It just telescopes out. I have one of the largest phones. It works perfectly fine. So if your phone is small or large, it can handle it. A nice carrying case, extra propellers, 2 USB cables so you can charge both of the batteries, instruction manual, and a tiny screwdriver. The batteries can provide an impressive 25 minutes of flight time. You can control the drone with this remote or with your phone itself. It will give you virtual joystick controls. The choice is yours. This includes an upgraded hover system so even beginners can enjoy very stable flight.